Okay, time for another hive inspection. Gonna try to go in deep. We'll see how the girls do today. They've been a little fussy the last few times in. Hopefully they'll be a little better today. Bringing in some light yellow pollen. A lot of activity today. Weather's calmed down finally. Got some sunshine and some blue skies and just a little slight breeze. So here we go. Oh, we got eggs.
Got eggs?
I believe so. Yeah.
Yeah, boy, they're swarming good today. Look at them.
Yeah, we got eggs. I can see eggs today.
Boy, there's a shitload flying around today.
Well, the comb's getting drawed out. This one here is almost completely. The one down here in the boxes.
Yeah.
3/4 away full. So this is all full. Come on, girls. Got a lot of bees in here.
There's a lot flying around too. It's not windy. They're flying good.
Don't like using that much smoke, but I got a lot of guard bees in here this morning. Come on.
I'm gonna... Got eggs, got larvae, can't brood.
They're drawing this out. They just didn't draw it as quick as what I expected them to draw it. So everything is cool.
You wanna check for her?
There's no need to.
Okay.
We got eggs, we got larvae. I'm not going to go in here and bother these girls just to see the queen. It's not important. Everything's okay down there. The other thing I want to do is we want to look for swarm cells. I have not had this box off. This may not be
easy.
Yeah, may not be easy. Look, get off of me. You hear me? Yes, I'm coming in, girls. Gotta do a swarm cell check. Wow.
It's glued down pretty good.
Glued down real good. Bottom coming up with it.
There. Half of it's loose.
Bottom stay down?
Yeah, hold on. Not quite. Hold on. It's moving. Okay. We'll see anything. Oh, there you go. I'm going now. Don't see anything, do you?
Nope.
Watch out, it'll be. Needs to come up toward the front. And you got a lot in front, you're gonna smash. Be careful. There. Okay, almost there. Yep, right there.
Sorry, girls.
Yep,
I
we
had
got
to
'em.
check. Had to check.
Well, you know she's in there. You can hear them.
She may be in the top.
You gonna pull some of those out today?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm gonna look for eggs and larvae and cap brood up here in the top. See what we got.
Need the rack.
Starting to draw some comb out. Yeah, we got eggs. I don't know if you probably can't see them. You got to be in the sunshine.
Next one's not
Well, we got eggs.
very good.
And that golden queen's doing just fine.
I can see them. Yeah.
See, this was one of them I want to move. See if we got enough to work with to do some checkerboarding. We may not have enough comb up here to even do it. Yeah, there's eggs. So that's good. That's good. We got eggs. Come on, sweetheart.
I don't see any mites on them.
You're not going to see the mite. If you see mites, we got a problem.
Yeah.
Or a wasp. Not you, the wasp. That queen might be up here in the top.
Keep watching.
Yep. This is all laid up.
Do you think she's up there?
Good possibility. This is where all the fresh comb is. Alright. So we've got an empty frame there. Here we got a full frame of brood. A full frame of bees, I should say. Come on, girls. Yeah, this has got some weight to it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, we got larvae. There's fresh larvae. A little capped honey in the corner. It looks like there might be some nectar in here. Oh, that frame is wiggling a little bit. A little paranoid after I broke that frame. I don't see the queen there. So what I want to do, I want to take this empty one. We're going to put it in between these two.
You gonna check the rest of them?
Come on, girls. A lot of bees here. More fresh larvae, more eggs.
There she is, right there.
Yep, there's our
There's
queen.
our queen.
Can you see her in the camera?
Well, I'm trying, yeah.
Yep,
There she is, for
she's
sure.
right here.
Don't lose her.
You see how loud that bottom box got?
Yeah, she's right back over here. Hold
Yep.
it up. Let me get her. Okay, she's moving back over.
I want to get her back in the box.
Yep, get her in there.
We don't want nothing to happen to that girl.
That's what we was looking for.
Okay,
Good.
so we found the queen. We got eggs, we got larvae. She's up here laying in this top.
Good deal.
So that's good. I'm fretting over nothing. Just worried about my girls. More eggs. She's been busy. We got capped honey. There's a little pollen in that one. These are all fresh eggs. She just moved up here.
Mm-hmm.
Got some nectar on this side.
Is that a...
Don't see no cells. Might have had something going on right there.
Is that right there? A drone
Oh.
cell? See?
That's where they are chewing the rubber bands off of that broken frame.
Is that a drone cell sticking out?
What are you looking at?
On this one.
Yeah, I see a drone.
Yeah, a few
This
of
is
them.
our broken frame. It's reattached. I got cap brood. Surprisingly enough, the rubber bands are still in place. I got a little bit of drone brood right there. Don't see any signs of a supersedure or a swarm cell up here in the top. Okay, so that we're about out of the drawed brood. These frames are empty.
She's on that one, right?
Yep.
Okay. 6.
How much frame is on that one that's sitting there on the outside?
It's half.
It's half. And what's sitting on this side?
That one's more than half.
It's 3/4 or better. Come on, be nice. That leaves an empty on the outside. You know what? Getting loud.
I hear them. You got one more?
No, it's empty.
Oh.
Okay, take this away. Alright. What didn't we do?
Pollen patty.
Yep. Sure did. You're supposed to let me remind me of that.
Pollen patty, honey. You gonna put that on the bottom?
I'm gonna try.
Here. Here, give me it.
Can you lay that in there? Right in the middle. That's all right.
Shit. It's away from me.
Once again, Bee Pro. They're eating this stuff up like mad. They really seem to like it. Okay. Sleepless nights for nothing. We got fresh eggs, 3-day-old eggs. We got pollen. We got nectar. We got larva. Everything's looking good. Thanks for watching.